Hi, welcome to Office 365 Tech Heroes. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can set up your custom domain with Microsoft Office 365. Let's get started. So, first, I already purchased my custom domain with GoDaddy, and it's this one, myhomes.com. So, if you need help how to purchase a domain with GoDaddy, I'm going to be showing that on another video tutorial. If you need help as well on how to register for a Microsoft Office 365 account, I'll be showing you another video tutorial for that. So let's go to the admin center. So since we already purchased a domain, we're, we're going to be going on this section. So on your Office 365, click on settings and click on domains. Click add domain and put in here the domain or enter the domain that you purchased with GoDaddy. So I'm putting in myhomes.com and click use this domain. All right. So we are now on the verification section. Since we set up the domain with GoDaddy, we're going to be signing in. So just click verify. All right. And since we are already logged in to GoDaddy on the other tab, we'll just click connect and just give it some time. So we need to activate the records now. So this is going to be automatic. So you just need to click continue and select your DNS records. So select all records that you need. So we're going to be selecting Exchange. And if you need to set up Skype for Business or Microsoft Teams, just put a check on that and click configure. Once again, click connect. And there you go. The setup is complete. Easy as that. Click done. All right, so the domain now has been verified. So the status is green. So now we're going to be going to the user section so we can change the default Microsoft.com email address. So in this case, I'm going to be creating another user account. So tech, and then heroes, and then I'm going to be naming this as test, and this is my custom domain, myhomes.com. So click, let me create it. Since I prefer creating a new password, I'll be selecting this one. And I'm creating a new password for this account. I'm going to be unchecking this. Click next. And select never. I'll be selecting the license that I purchased. And this user that I created, I'm going to be giving him an admin access. I'll be giving a global admin access and finish adding. So a new user account has been created. Click close, and here we go. So the user has been created, and it it's gonna it click mail. So currently, right now, it's preparing the mailbox for the user. It might take um 5 minutes to 30 minutes before the mailbox gets created. And now we're going to be trying to open the user account that we created. So I'm going to be opening another browser. And I'm going to be going to office.com, click the sign in button, and put in the email address of the user account. So that's test and the password, and sign in. So you will be redirected to the Office login page. And here you go. So click export this, and the email should now be active. Click Outlook, select the right time zone. I'll just click this one, and there you go. So I do now have access to my mailbox with my custom domain. So I'm going to be clicking the account at the top right, and you can see that this is my custom domain that I purchased from GoDaddy, myhomes.com. This is the username that we created, test, and you can now start sending and receiving emails from your custom domain. If you have any question, um, just put in on the comments below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Have a good day and take care.